Alrighty, pronunciation fans, welcome back to another lesson of English phonetics and phonology. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pronounce these 5 words that start with the letter B. Barley, barley, bardolatry, bardolater, beatitude. Word number 1 is barley, and barley is the hearty cereal. This word is pronounced like this. It's a noun, and this is how we say it: barley. Barley is a 2-syllable word. The first syllable, ba with long a, should be stressed. We say barley. The second word is rather barely, and barely is an adverb, which means scarcely or rarely. And here be careful, we say barely. A sound, not a. Barley, the noun, barely, the adverb. It's also a 2-syllable word. The stressed syllable is the first syllable, bear. We say barely. Word number 3 is bardolatry. Bardolatry. This is a multisyllabic word. Bardolatry. It's a 4-syllable word. The second syllable, do, should be stressed. As you see, the big circle indicates the stressed syllable. We say bardolatry. And the bardolatry is an excessive admiration of Shakespeare, the famous poet. We call this bardolatry. The person is called a bardolater, who has an excessive admiration of Shakespeare. Bardolater. It's also a 4-syllable word, bardolater. The second syllable, do, should be stressed. As you see the big circle, do. We say bardolater. Bardolatry, bardolater. And the last word is a beautiful word. It's a beatitude. Beatitude is a 4-syllable word. The second syllable, a, should be stressed. We say beatitude. Beatitude. Now we practice them again. Listen closely. Barley, barley, bardolatry, and then bardolater, and beatitude, which means contentment. I repeat: barley, barley, bardolatry, bardolater, beatitude. Composure comes from beauty. Twisty Soundy Sounds YouTube channel. Goodbye.